Can never be the LCM. Simply, it's like odd man out only. Can never be the LCM means remaining or possible. Only one cannot be the LCM. What is that one number which cannot be the LCM? Okay, now you are on track. Option C, 82. Okay, done that. See, simply can never be or cannot be possible or cannot be taken. That is nothing but odd man out kind of thing. So remaining three options will come under one category and that particular option will come under another category. HCF of two numbers is 12. Which one of the following can never be their LCM? HCF of two numbers is 12. Which one of the following can never be their LCM? Okay. So let me explain you with respect to concept so that if another question is asked, then you can answer it easily. HCF of two numbers is 12. Guys, what is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. Okay. So if HCF of two numbers is 12, then the numbers will be 12x and 12y. First number will be 12x, second number will be 12y. Means we are not sure what is the original number of first and second actually. As 12 is the highest common number, we'll be writing it as 12x and 12y. Okay. Which one of the following can never be the LCM? We know it already. Product is equal.
హలో నేను క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను హలో ఎక్కువ చేయకు నువ్వు
Guys, can you please mute yourself? Yeah. So product is equal to multiplication of LCM and HCF. Product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is equal to multiplication of LCM and HCF. Okay. So we know the two numbers are 12x and 12y. 12x and 12y and LCM and HCF. Okay. Which one cannot be the LCM and HCF? HCF is already 12. 12 and 12 will get cancelled. So you'll get LCM is equal to 12xy. So what is the meaning of this? 12xy means your LCM will also be a multiple of 12. Okay. 12xy is your LCM finally. Your LCM is also a multiple of 12. Okay. All this explanation, all this the steps are written just for your understanding. LCM. M is nothing but multiple. Okay. So common multiple. If your HCF is a multiple of 12, then your LCM will also be multiple of 12. Okay. We are not sure what is the remaining value in first number and remaining value in second number. Means possibly XY can be 3 and 12 3 is 36 is possible. And possibly XY can be 5 and 12 5 is 60 is possible. And XY can be 7 and 12 7 is 108 is possible. Okay. So this can be LCM and the second option can be LCM and the third option can be LCM. 82 is not the multiple of 12. So 82 cannot be the LCM. So that is the reason 82 is your answer. Option C, 82 is your answer. Okay. Ma'am, how can we say that 82 is our answer? Means this is the explanation. You know the formula already. If HCF is 12, then your numbers are 12x and 12y. And 12x and 12y, I have written on left hand side. Right hand side, HCF is 12 and you have the LCM. So 12 and 12, you can cancel it out. LCM is nothing but 12xy. So LCM is also multiple of 12. Leftover xy, that can be anything, ensuring that the total is a multiple of 12. It can be 36. That is the reason they're asking can. Can is nothing but can is talking about the possibility. As we are not sure what is the number of either the first number or second number, it can be 36, it can be 60, it can be 108, but it can't be 82 because 82 is not the multiple of 12. Okay. Yeah, simply it can't be divided by 12. But how that was came in, so this was the explanation. Okay. Simply it's like odd man out, which is not divisible by 12. Let's go for the next. Next one. If product is not given, we have to find LCM with the given two numbers. They'll give definitely either right hand side information or left hand side information. They'll give any one sided information clearly. So it comes like four variables now. So left hand side product of two numbers means first number, second number. Right hand side LCM and HCF. So out of the four, they'll give any three and they'll ask the fourth one. Clear, Rohit? Either they'll give product and LCM and they ask for HCF, or they'll give LCM, HCF and they ask for product. If individually they go with numbers, two numbers on one side, LCM and HCF on other side. So it can be taken as 4. Out of the 4, they'll give any 3 values and they'll ask you to find out the fourth one. Okay. Answer 6. Okay. Which number should be multiplied by 43 so that it will have 3 prime factors? So already
1 to 3.
Yeah. Already 43 is a prime number, right? Already 43 is prime. If you multiply it with the 2, you'll have only 2 prime numbers. So if you multiply it with the 3, you'll have only 2 prime numbers. If you multiply it with 6, 6 can be rewritten as 43 into 2 into 3. So you have 3 prime numbers. 43 into 8, that is not possible. Okay. Writing same number 3 times can be considered as only one number, guys. Okay. 3 prime factors. Factor or otherwise number, both are the same. So you have 43 in the question. Pick any one option and multiply. That product should have 3 prime factors. So if you pick first option, you'll have only 2 prime factors, 43 and 2. So that is not your answer. 43 into 3, only 2 prime factors. 43 into 6, 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 43 is prime. Totally, you will be having 3 prime values. And 8 is not your answer because writing same number thrice can't give you 3 prime factors. So that is considered as only one prime number. So option C is your answer. Okay. Somebody is asking a doubt. If you want to ask, please unmute yourself and ask your doubt. Rohit, is that clear? Whatever you posted in the comment section. So LCM, HCF, individually numbers. If they talk individually, they'll give either LCM or HCF for 2 numbers. Out of the 4, any 2 will be given. Okay. Yeah. So totally 250 students, guys. If you're answering it within less time, like 20 to 30 seconds, then I must say that you're on the track and that is a really good practice. Considering the level of difficulties and considering All the students in the class, detailed explanation is given. So if you're answering 20 to 30 seconds and if you're taking only 20 to 30 seconds, then I'm super happy with it. So next question on screen. Very simple.
That permutation and combination of A, B, C, D taken
A comma, B comma, C comma, D. It is not only one word. Yeah, separately. A comma, B comma, C comma, D. A comma, B comma, C comma, D. Totally we have 4 values. So permutation is nothing but NPR, combination is nothing but NCR. The permutation and combination of ABCD taken 3 at a time means we can take four alphabets, right? So taken 3 means doing permutation with the 3, any of the 3, doing combination with any of the 3. Okay. So it is simply 4P3 and 4C3. 4P3 is 4 into 3 into 2. 4C3 is equal to 4C1. You can write it as 4. Applying NCR is equal to NCN minus R. And 4P3 is 4 3 is 12, 12 is 24. 24 and 4. Of course, with anyone, you can answer the option. If you got 24, immediately right away you can pick 24 comma 4. Because no option has 24 again. So 24 comma 4. All these questions are like 20 seconds, 30 seconds questions, guys. Just by looking at the question now, permutation, 4 are there, taken 3. 4P3 is 432. With oral calculations, without using pen and paper, you can answer. 24 comma 4. Okay. Let's go for the next. Next question. So you can use ratios and proportions logic or otherwise you can use time and work logic. Anything is the same. Time and work logic or otherwise ratios and proportions logic. Okay, let me help you to understand the question in both the ways. 4 men can repair a road in 7 hours. How many men are required to repair the road in 2 hours? So you have 4 men can repair the road in 7 hours. You are taking only 2 hours to repair the road. Okay. So this is manpower, guys. Left hand side it is manpower. Right hand side it is time. When 4 people were there, you took 7 hours to complete the task. Now you have only 2 hours. You are completing the task in 2 hours. Definitely you will need more people to complete the work. Okay. I'm repeating it once again. You have 4 people and you're taking 7 hours to complete the task. Now you have only 2 hours to complete the task and you need definitely more people because the time that you're taking is less, right? So you need definitely more people. So cross multiplication, it is 7 by 2 multiplied by 4, 2 ones, 2 twos, that is 14. 14 men were required. Option B 14. Option B 14. So this can be considered as time and work question also, like the Mandate's concept. M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. So this question is related to time and work or related to ratios and proportions. With respect to direct multiplication and cross multiplication logic, you can get the answer of 14 men. So if you want to solve with respect to time and work, let's look at the explanation here. M1, M2 are nothing but manpower involved or the things or the machinery involved in the question. D1, D2 are nothing but the number of days. H1, H2 are nothing but the number of hours. W1 and W2 are nothing but the number of work that they did. So this is the main formula, guys. They can give any value or they can give total all the four values also. Whatever the values that they have given, substitute the same in the question and try solving the question. So take one set as case 1, another set as case 2. Case 1, 4 men is taking 7 hours and you don't know how many men are required. They are taking 2 hours. So 2 ones, 2 twos. M2 is nothing but 14. Okay. So in that way also you can solve. So if you have any doubt with cross multiplication, direct multiplication, then you can use formula also. When they give days and the number of units of work that is done, M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. The whole set of formula you can use. Okay. Let's go for the next.
Spoiler, sir. Spoiler, sir.
Next question. Finally, percentages. Finally, percentages question. Percentages is very important, guys. Option D. You can solve for all the 12 clips considering as dozen or you can solve individually. Anything is same. 12 clips means you can consider them as 1 dozen or you can solve individually also. Anything is same. Okay. A vendor purchases binder clips at 12 for rupees 60. How many clips should he sell for rupees 60 to earn a profit of 20%? So a vendor purchases is nothing but he is paying the cost of the article and he is getting the article. Okay. So 12 clips cost price is equal to rupees 60. And if you want one clip cost price, then 60 divided by 12, that is nothing but 5 rupees. Okay. So one clip cost price is nothing but rupees 5. Next, how many clips should he sell for rupees 60 to earn a profit of 20%? Okay. So one clip cost price is 5 rupees, right? And always your cost price is nothing but 100%, guys. And when you have a profit of 20%, your selling price is nothing but 120%. Okay. Let me repeat it once again. Always your cost price is nothing but 100%. Your selling price is nothing but whatever the profit you have, that profit will be added to the cost price. If you have 20% profit, then 20% profit is not will be added to the cost price. Then 20% plus 100%, 120% is your selling price. Okay. So 120% is your selling price. And if you are wondering how you got this, then profit equal to, you have the formula, profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit is 20%. Cost price is all the time 100%. And selling price is equal to 100 plus 20, 120. Okay. Cost price is nothing but 100%. Selling price is nothing but 120%. Okay. So you have 100% is equal to 5 rupees. 120% is how much? Definitely more. 120 by 100 into 5. So this is 26, 25, 5 will get cancelled of 6 rupees. 5 will get cancelled of 6 rupees. So cost price is 5 rupees and selling price is nothing but 6 rupees. Okay. So cost price, we got it as 5 rupees per article and selling price is nothing but 6 rupees. How selling price is 6 rupees? Selling price is 6 rupees with respect to a profit of 20%. Okay. So now their question was, you have to sell for 60 rupees. Okay. You have to sell for 60 rupees and how many clips you will sell. Okay. Each clip cost is 6 rupees, guys. Okay. So customer will come and customer will give you 60 rupees. You have clips, each clip cost as 6 rupees. Okay. So number of clips is nothing but the money that the customer will give you divided by selling price of each clip. 60 rupees he will give. Each clip is 6 rupees. How many clips you can give to that particular person? 10 clips. Option D, 10 clips is the answer. Okay. Actually, without this calculation also you can solve. You can simply guess the answer. Earlier, he was paying 60 rupees, but he was getting 12 clips. Or otherwise, you gave 60 rupees to some other person and you got 12 clips. Okay. Now you want to sell for the profit. So you want to sell for the profit means you will increase the price, right? But you will increase the price and you will sell that clips for 20% profit. Okay. So though you increase the price, it is only 20%. Selling 5 clips is actually very less. Selling 8 clips is actually very less. Selling 10 clips is also very less. So 6 clips is also very less. Selling 10 clips is the possible way. So in that way, with the smart way of answering the question, you can say that the answer is option D, or otherwise you can solve the question also. Okay. Let me explain the question once again. Percentages and profit and loss questions are very important. So I could see very minimum responses for this question. Yeah, I'm repeating the question once again, guys. Let's concentrate on the same. Vendor purchases binder clips 12 for rupees 60. 12 clips cost price is rupees 60 means one clip cost price is 60 by 12, that is equal to 5 rupees. Okay. One clip cost is nothing but 5 rupees. So if you want a profit of 20%, 20% profit will have 120%. Okay. Cost price is always 100%. So 100% is 5 rupees. 120% is how much? 120% is nothing but 6 rupees. Okay. So 6 rupees is the selling price of each clip. You have 60 rupees with you. So 60 divided by 6, 10 clips the customer will get from you if he is giving 60 rupees. Okay. If you don't want to write 120% directly, you can write like this also. 5 plus 20% of 5. 21 sir, 25 sir. 5 will get cancelled off. 5 plus 1 is 6. As they said 20% profit, you can calculate 20% individually also. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Shall I go for the next one? I could see very less responses for this question. Did you understood? Shall we move for the next one? If yes, please raise the hands. Yeah. Let's go for the next. Next question. Next question. I told you the M1 D1 H1 formula, right? So you can use that here to answer the question M1 D1 H1. M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. So you can use this formula and you can answer the question. Bread making machines, M1, M2 are manpower, D1, D2 are number of days, H1, H2 are number of hours. If time is not given in days and hours, then consider time in minutes or whatever they have given. Specifically, it's not like only they have to give in days and hours, they can give in minutes also. They can give in minutes also. M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. Take any information with respect to that for case 1 and case 2. Case 1 completely bread making mission 60 kg of dough time, consider that to one side M1 D1 H1. The another side consider that for M2 D2 H2. Okay, hope you got the answer now. Bread making mission. A bread making mission is nothing but one bread making mission. M1 is 1 and can make a bread of 60 kg in 5 minutes. 60 kg is nothing but the number of units of work done. Okay. So W1 is nothing but 60 kg. How many kgs of flour was made as a bread? That is actually the work done. The number of units of work done. So W1 is 60. And H1 is all, day 1 is all nothing but the time. So time is 5 minutes. Next, M2, we are not sure. We have to find out the number of missions. And W2 is nothing but 600 kgs of dough. Next, the time is nothing but 10 minutes we have. So apply the formula M11 and the time is 5. Work done is 60. M2 is here. Work done is 600 units and T2 is nothing but 10. 61 so 60 10 so 10 will get cancelled off. M2 is nothing but 5. M2 is nothing but 5. You need how many missionary? You need 5 missionary to answer the question. You need 5 missionary.